Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we are going to be checking out another Olga's Quick Recipes called Rocket Fuel Shot. It seemed interesting. Why not do something with 151, which I actually need a shot glass right now, so we're going to need probably one of these, actually. We're going to try that out today, because why the fuck not, I guess. So what you're going to need is you're going to need an amaretto of some sort. This Reynolds is an amaretto, so doing that one. We'll need a 151 rum of any sort that you want to use. Just an overproof rum of anything. I got an overproof rum, the Hamilton 151. Coconut rum is optional. You do not have to have this, apparently. But I'm going to add it in there because fuck it, why not? And you'll need some pineapple juice. There's a splash. Nothing too major. Alright, so we're gonna get into making this. So what you're gonna need is a half an ounce of overproof rum. This must be my bad pour spout. Half an ounce of our amaretto liqueur. A quarter ounce of our coconut. So this is makes about one shot per person. Maybe 2 shots when the ice, melts that's in it and everything, because it's supposed to be shaken. And you need a splash of your pineapple juice. That's about as good as my splash is going to get, so we're going to go ahead and shake it up, and we'll try it out here in a minute. And now we're going to pour up our shot. Another tan flavored, colored, whatever the fuck shot glass. And this is our Rocket Fuel shot. I hope it tastes actually good, because Rocket Fuel is not really particularly a yummy type of taste. Not that I've tried Rocket Fuel before, but I imagine it wouldn't. So let's go ahead and try it. Actually, that was pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. That's actually pretty good. It gives off a candy coconut pineapple flavor, and then just it's like a candy coconut flavor mostly. The pineapple just adds a little bit of acidity to it, and then the 151 just comes back behind with the proof. Yeah, not too bad actually. Also, I found a really cool bottle today. Like a really, 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 really big and cool bottle today. For like 25 bucks, which is this fucking massive thing. It's actually not too bad, surprisingly. I kind of like it. It was on sale here in Ohio, and I was like, oh, fuck yeah. It was like a $60 bottle or something for 25, and I'm like, I mean, look how big this fucking thing is. It's massive. Why the hell not? Like, here's my 16-ounce glass, my pint glass to it, and it looks like a baby. So, I bought that. I don't know why I wanted to show that off. I just saw it under the bar, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to show this off. Why not? Oh, alright. So, yeah. Try out the Rocket Fuel shot if you guys are interested. Anyways, I will be possibly streaming after this. I know, surprising. Last thing I read was it was 1,000 followers, and I forget how many likes or something you needed for all the videos, or maybe it was watch time, like 1,000 hours of watch time or something like. I don't know. It was something stupid like that I saw, but during Christmas, I got a notification. Hey, you can stream now, and I'm like, really? Okay. So we're going to try that out tonight. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time, and hopefully see you in the stream, I guess. Once I figure out whatever the hell I'm doing, I guess. Thanks. Bye.